People ask me all the time, what do we do or what do we build?
We manufacture console servers.
With almost 2 decades of customer-driven innovation, we continue to lead the evolution from simple to complex console servers, along with the development of centralized management software and embedded 4G LTE cellular access.
My role at Opengear is to make sure that we can fulfill all of our customer orders.
I think it's really cool that we manufacture and produce the units here in Sandy, Utah. I feel like so many manufacturing sites are overseas now.
Something that's important about Opengear products is that they are assembled in the USA right here in Sandy, Utah.
Opengear ships about 300 to 500 units a day all over the world.
To kind of take you through the process of what we do here, we manage the supply chain. We have inbound material, printed circuit board assemblies, cabling, metalwork. The whole process starts with an order coming in.
Our people and our processes are an integral part of what makes our network resilience platform the best in class.
We have obviously the operations side, the production side, the quality side that plays a pretty intricate role in what I do.
One of our main projects that we've done since I've been here is we've gone to a one-piece flow.
One-piece flow allows us to get immediate feedback on the quality of the product.
Previously, it would take days because we would do it in batches. Now, the first unit off the line is 10 to 15 minutes, so we've been able to shave, in essence, days off of the production schedule.
Our newest products like the OM1200, OM2200, and CM8100, managed by our Lighthouse software, improve on our legacy of innovation while building a bridge to the future.
The team is made up of a bunch of guys that believe in continuous improvement.
I take a lot of pride in the quality of our product, knowing that whenever it gets to a customer, they can rely on our product to work right the first time and then work right for years and years and years.
The entire Opengear team is customer-focused, quality-driven, and innovation-inspired. Serving most of the Fortune 100s, quality is built into everything we do. Our products provide critical services to your network day one, every day, and even when the network goes down. Visit Opengear.com to find out more about the Network Resilience Platform.